Remember your first remote control car? The joy of steering it across the floor, the thrill of a crash? Those simple toys represent a technology that has been evolving for over a century. The earliest remote control vehicles weren't toys at all. They were serious machines developed for military purposes. Imagine controlling a small tank full of explosives from afar, a terrifying but effective weapon. But like many technologies, remote control eventually found its way into our homes. The first remote control toys emerged in the 1960s, sparking a fascination that continues to this day. The first remote control toys were rudimentary by today's standards. They were often tethered to the controller by wires, limiting their range and freedom of movement. Imagine tripping over those wires, not ideal for high-speed chases. Then came the revolution: radio control. No more wires. Cars, boats, and planes could finally roam free, at least as far as the radio signal would allow. This innovation opened up a world of possibilities for both toy makers and hobbyists. The earliest radio-controlled toys were often expensive and complex, but as technology improved and production costs decreased, they became more accessible to the average consumer. The golden age of RC was about to begin. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. The 1970s and 80s saw a boom in the popularity of remote control vehicles. No longer just for kids, RC became a serious hobby for adults too. People formed clubs, organized races, and even built their own custom vehicles. Technology kept pace with this growing enthusiasm. Batteries became smaller and more powerful, allowing for longer run times. Motors became more efficient, leading to faster speeds, and the development of proportional control gave users finer control over their vehicle's movements. This was a time of incredible innovation in the RC world, driven by passion and a love for pushing the limits of what was possible. The arrival of the digital age in the late 20th century brought about a paradigm shift in the world of remote control. Digital components replaced their analog counterparts, leading to greater precision, control, and reliability. Remember the days of fiddling with clunky antennas to maintain a clear signal? Digital spread-spectrum technology made those frustrations a thing of the past. Now, multiple users could operate their vehicles simultaneously without interference. And the advancements didn't stop there. The incorporation of microprocessors allowed for more sophisticated features, such as programmable settings, telemetry data, and even onboard cameras. The line between toy and sophisticated machine was blurring. The rise of drones, taking to the skies. While cars, boats, and planes continued to evolve, a new type of RC vehicle was taking to the skies: the drone. Initially developed for military and surveillance purposes, drones quickly captured the public imagination. Drones offered a whole new perspective on the world, allowing users to capture stunning aerial photography and video. As technology advanced, drones became smaller, more affordable, and easier to fly. Today, drones are used for a wide range of applications, from filmmaking and agriculture to package delivery and search and rescue. The potential of these unmanned aerial vehicles seems limitless. AI takes the wheel. A new era of autonomy. Artificial intelligence, once the realm of science fiction, is now a driving force in the evolution of remote control vehicles. AI is enabling a level of autonomy never before imagined, allowing vehicles to make decisions and navigate their environment without direct human input. Imagine a drone that can autonomously follow you while filming your bike ride, or a robot vacuum cleaner that can map your home and clean without bumping into furniture. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming the RC landscape. With AI at the helm, the possibilities are truly endless. Applications beyond play, RC for work and exploration. While remote control vehicles still hold a special place in the world of toys and hobbies, their applications now extend far beyond play. These versatile machines have found their way into numerous professional settings, revolutionizing the way various tasks are performed. Industries such as filmmaking, agriculture, construction, and even law enforcement are leveraging the power of RC technology. These industries have discovered that remote control vehicles can perform tasks that are either too dangerous or too time-consuming for humans. Farmers use drones to survey their fields, identify pests, and apply fertilizers with pinpoint accuracy. This not only saves time but also ensures that resources are used efficiently, leading to better crop yields and healthier plants. Construction workers use drones to inspect bridges and buildings, identifying potential hazards and structural weaknesses. This allows for timely maintenance and repairs, ensuring the safety and longevity of these structures. And filmmakers use drones to capture breathtaking aerial shots that would be impossible to achieve with traditional cameras. These drones provide a new perspective, adding a dynamic element to storytelling and enhancing the visual experience for audiences. The versatility and adaptability of RC vehicles make them invaluable tools across a wide range of professional fields. From enhancing safety and efficiency to providing innovative solutions, remote control technology continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in the modern world. Environmental monitoring, RC vehicles on the front lines. As concerns about climate change and environmental degradation mount, remote control vehicles are playing an increasingly important role in monitoring the health of our planet. Scientists and researchers are deploying drones and underwater robots to collect data from some of the most remote and inhospitable environments on Earth. Drones equipped with specialized sensors can monitor air quality, track deforestation, and assess the health of glaciers. Underwater robots can explore the depths of the ocean, studying marine life and mapping the ocean floor. This data is crucial for understanding the impact of human activities on the environment and developing strategies for mitigation and conservation. Search and rescue, saving lives from a distance. One of the most inspiring applications of remote control technology is in the field of search and rescue. These advanced tools are revolutionizing the way emergency teams operate, providing them with unprecedented capabilities to save lives. Drones and robots are being used by first responders around the world to locate missing persons, assess disaster zones, and even deliver medical supplies. These devices can cover large areas quickly, providing real-time data and visuals that are crucial during emergencies. In the aftermath of an earthquake or hurricane, drones can quickly survey the damage, identify survivors, and guide rescue teams to those in need. Their aerial perspective allows for a comprehensive assessment of the situation, ensuring that no one is left behind. Their ability to navigate treacherous terrain and reach areas inaccessible to humans makes them invaluable assets in emergency situations. Whether it's dense forests, collapsed buildings, or flooded areas, these remote-controlled devices can go where humans cannot. The use of remote-control vehicles in search and rescue is literally saving lives and transforming the way we respond to disasters. By providing critical support and enhancing the efficiency of rescue operations, these technologies are making a significant impact on disaster response efforts worldwide. The future of remote control. Limitless possibilities. Imagine a world where the boundaries of what we can control remotely are constantly expanding. The evolution of remote control vehicles has been nothing short of remarkable. From the early days of simple rudimentary designs to the sophisticated machines we see today, the journey has been extraordinary. From simple wired toys that brought joy to children, to sophisticated AI-powered machines that can perform complex tasks, remote control technology has come a long way in a relatively short amount of time. These advancements have revolutionized not just entertainment, but also various industries. And the future holds even greater promise. With ongoing research and development, the potential applications of remote control technology are expanding at an unprecedented rate. Imagine swarms of drones working together to build structures or deliver goods, operating with precision and efficiency that was once the stuff of science fiction. Autonomous vehicles navigating our roads and skies, reducing traffic congestion and making transportation safer and more efficient. And robots exploring the depths of space, venturing into environments that are too dangerous or inaccessible for humans, expanding our understanding of the universe. These are just a few of the possibilities that lie ahead. The integration of remote control technology into various aspects of our lives is only just beginning. As technology continues to advance, the line between science fiction and reality will continue to blur, creating new opportunities and challenges. And the world of remote control will become even more integrated into our daily lives, enhancing convenience, safety, and connectivity in ways we are only beginning to imagine. The ever-evolving world of remote control. The journey of remote control vehicles has been one of constant innovation, driven by human ingenuity and a desire to explore the world around us. From the earliest wired toys to the AI-powered machines of today, remote control technology has captivated our imaginations and transformed the way we live, work, and play. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the world of remote control will continue to evolve in ways we can only begin to imagine. The possibilities are limitless, and the only limit is our own creativity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.